When it comes to food, Easter is known for bun, cheese, and fish. But for yet another year, one of those items is in short supply due to bad weather and the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Krista Campbell tells us more.
Customers descend on the shores of the Rocky Point fishing beach in Clarendon as a boat with fresh catch comes in. High anticipation stains the faces of vendors and customers laying in wait. But as with many catches before, the yields today are low. Fishers here say it's been this way since the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October 2025.
Me born and grow as a fisherman. When me chuck off a shalabam, me catch very deep. We could have roast fish, throw in ice. Now we can't do them something like.
Since the hurricane things not come back. But maybe later down in the year, I see sign and I fish them. So as soon as the bottom come back to, we will come back in.
But fishers also note that recent bad weather has been affecting business.
The type of weather we get, it has sent only for doctor, wenchman and turbid. But the most thing what the people want is a good old parrot and the good old snapper. But you know, and you know what too? The kingfish, yes, the lover, the kingfish, yes, you can slice and share. You get piece, me get piece, and a certain thing set, you know.
She says divers, as well as those who make fish pots and nets, are all feeling the pinch from the low catch. A vendor from Spanish Town, St. Catherine, says he's unable to fill the usual demands from his customers.
I'm selling fish 39 years and a 2 days now I came here and don't get a pound of fish to sell. Everybody sell me out. Tell me, say they don't have no fish.
We want about 800 pounds, so we get about 600.
And the household people are sell for 15 and 17 and 1600 a pound. So they say they don't sell me for 12 and 13.
Low catch aside, those who work at the Rocky Point fishing beach say their work environment is also an issue.
Otherwise, on the beach, when the rain falls, I pay more than over here. It's done. It plays 1 mile. They took over the good part of the beach and put in a mangrove.
The water salt, the water you can't bathe, the water where they give you can't even bathe in it. It has scratch. You never can brush your teeth, you never can drink if you don't know what kind of water that they give you. And right now the beach pour water because if they want water to scrape the people and fish and can't get none right now.
They say the water issue predated Hurricane Melissa and they usually get potable supply every 2 to 3 days. But with concerns about the quality in recent times, some say they've been forced to buy water to properly scrape their fish. They say they've been told the water issue is due to problems with the pump in the area and have been assured bigger pipelines will be installed. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
Still to come this evening, roads badly damaged by days of heavy flooding in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. And in business news, some hospitality workers return to work following partial reopening of Half Moon resorts. We'll be right back.